Hey, if you are wondering if the Pixel 10a support fast charging, we can quickly check this. As you can see over here, I've got the cable with a screen that will show me the specific wattage when I'm gonna start charging this. And if it goes above 25 watts, it means that it supports fast charging. So we just have to wait, it just start speeding up, and it passed through the 25 watts, but it actually stuck on it. And what specification said that this smartphone support 30 watts, but I actually cannot reach this speed on this phone. I'm reaching 25, and this could be because the battery is like 50% charged. So the highest speed you are reaching when your battery is really low, and when it charged, then the battery start rising, which will actually cause the drop of the charging. So I will also make a test when the smartphone will be like 5% or 10%, but currently it's only showing me 25 watts. But yes, the 25 watts, it's actually fast charging.